Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is January 21st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest updates in the world of Apple and its ecosystem. From iPhone sales in China to exciting new apps and tools, we've got a lot to cover. As always, links to all the stories mentioned can be found in the episode notes. Let's get started. Apple's iPhone sales in China have taken a notable hit, dropping by 18.2% during the December quarter. This decline has pushed Apple down to third place in the Chinese smartphone market, with Huawei reclaiming the top spot. Once the leading smartphone brand in China, Apple now holds a market share of just 16%. Analysts attribute this slump to increased competition and shifting consumer preferences. The impact of this drop extends beyond China, contributing to a global 5% decline in iPhone sales during the holiday season. To address these challenges, Apple is reportedly seeking a partner for its Apple Intelligence initiative in China, aiming to strengthen its foothold in this critical market. The situation highlights the growing dominance of local brands and underscores the importance of China for Apple's global performance. Adapting strategies will be key for Apple as it navigates these turbulent waters. In other news, Apple has made a strategic move by acquiring the image editing app Pixelmator. This acquisition, reportedly in the 8-figure range, is aimed at bolstering Apple's creative tools and providing a strong alternative to Adobe Photoshop. Known for its cautious approach to mergers and acquisitions, Apple typically focuses on smaller deals that enhance its technology and talent pool. Pixelmator's addition aligns with this strategy, offering Apple an opportunity to refine its creative ecosystem. Historically, Apple has prioritized acquisitions that complement its core products, such as Next Computer, which brought Steve Jobs back to the company, and PA Semi, which laid the groundwork for Apple's custom chips. As the tech giant explores new ventures like the Apple Car and Vision Pro, its M&A strategy may evolve, but for now, the focus remains on enhancing existing offerings. Apple Mail is set to roll out automatic email categorization for macOS and iPadOS, following its debut on iOS 18. This feature, expected in macOS 15.4 and iPadOS 18.4, will organize emails into categories like primary, transactions, updates, and promotions. Similar to Gmail's approach, this update aims to simplify inbox management and improve user experience. Users will also have the ability to manually adjust categorizations, refining the system over time. The feature is designed to be accessible across a wide range of devices and will support English-language emails. Alongside this, Apple is enhancing Siri's contextual understanding for more intuitive interactions. The anticipated release is set for April 2025, promising a more streamlined email experience for Apple users. For iPhone users looking to declutter their photo libraries, the app Purgo offers a thoughtful solution. This photo cleaning and organizing app allows users to review and manage their photos at their own pace. With features like category-specific sorting for screenshots and large files, as well as the ability to preview similar shots, Purgo makes the process of tidying up your photo library both efficient and enjoyable. The app syncs seamlessly with the iOS Photos app and provides options to manage iCloud data usage. Available for free with optional in-app purchases, Purgo emphasizes user privacy by collecting only non-personal data. The latest version, 1.3, was released just a few days ago, on January 17, 2025. Managing finances can be daunting, but Savi Finance is here to help. This app simplifies budgeting and expense tracking by consolidating all financial accounts into one place. With features like Social Insights, which provides data on average rent in your area, and Guilt-Free Spend, which calculates a monthly spending limit, Savi Finance empowers users to make informed financial decisions. The app has received glowing reviews for its intuitive interface and transformative impact on users' financial habits. Free to download with optional subscriptions, Savi Finance is compatible with iOS devices and prioritizes user privacy by linking only essential data to user identities. For developers, Apple has updated its documentation on Instruments, a powerful tool for app profiling and performance analysis. These tutorials guide developers through optimizing app responsiveness, reducing memory usage, and analyzing complex behaviors. Key topics include identifying and resolving main thread hangs, and executing tasks asynchronously. The resources also include WDC session videos and forums for engaging with Apple engineers and fellow developers. Whether you're building apps for Vision OS, Metal, or other platforms, these tools are invaluable for enhancing performance. Developers can access the latest tools through Xcode 15 or later. If your Gmail inbox is overflowing, the new app Outbox might be just what you need. Outbox simplifies the process of unsubscribing from unwanted emails with intuitive swipe gestures, left to unsubscribe, right to keep. It also offers bulk unsubscribe options and smart insights into email usage. Privacy is a top priority, as the app does not store emails, retaining only essential metadata. Free to download with optional in-app purchases, Outbox has received positive feedback for its effectiveness, with users reporting significant reductions in email clutter. Compatible with iPhones running iOS 17.0 or later, this app is a productivity game-changer. Finally, for those looking to elevate their fashion game, Ufit.AI is an AI-powered styling app that offers personalized outfit recommendations. Whether you're preparing for a wedding, job interview, or casual outing, Ufit.AI tailors its suggestions to your preferences and features. The app also helps users explore the latest trends and find visual matches for their favorite pieces. Developed by Arjun Thapa, Ufit.AI is free with an optional Pro version and emphasizes privacy by not collecting user data. Compatible with iOS, iPadOS, and Mac devices, this app is a must-try for anyone looking to refine their style effortlessly. That wraps up today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Thanks for tuning in to hear about the latest developments in Apple's world, from iPhone sales challenges in China to exciting new apps and tools. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us tomorrow for more updates and insights. Until then, stay curious and stay informed.